Hi, I'm Rachael Smith with ReMax and Big Bear, and today we are going to be digging into one of the biggest questions that I hear from buyers and investors in Big Bear. How much can I expect to make in rental income if I buy a property here? It is a great question, but not a simple one. Rental income depends on a whole mix of factors: location, seasonality, property size, how it's managed, and whether you go long-term or short. So in this video, I'm going to break it down into two categories: long-term rentals and short-term vacation rentals. And then inside short-term, we are going to compare the three main management styles: self-managing with a local cleaner and handyman, using a per diem service or partial service company like Doormat, or going full service with companies like Big Bear Vacations or Cool Cabins. By the end, you will have a realistic framework for what is expected and which strategy might fit your goal. Section 1, long-term rentals. In Big Bear, long-term means you're renting it out to a tenant for 6 months or more. That could be a family, a couple, or someone relocating who just wants stability. What you can expect to earn: most long-term rental rates here in Big Bear range between $1,200 and $2,500 a month, depending upon the size, condition, and location of the property. Small cabins or apartments fall on the lower end of that. A 3-bedroom, nicely updated home in a central spot might bring in $2,000 to $2,500 a month. Larger or luxury properties can push higher, but remember, Big Bear is not LA. Renters are mostly locals who work in the area or seasonal workers. The upside of long terms: it's consistent. You know exactly what's coming in every month, and management is relatively low maintenance. You won't deal with constant turnovers, marketing to new guests, or fluctuating income based on season. What's the downside? It usually doesn't compare to short-term rentals in terms of overall income. And in Big Bear, short-term rentals, done right, often bring in 2 to 3 times what a long-term rental would. But they do come with more work and risk, which brings us to part 2, short-term rentals. Short-term rentals, which are going to be your Airbnbs, your VRBOs, your weekend cabins, are a whole different ballgame. Big Bear is a true 4-season resort town. Summer brings hikers, mountain bikers, and lake lovers. Winter brings skiers and snowboarders. Fall and spring bring weekenders who want a cozy cabin getaway. If you want the right property in the right location, your income potential is significantly higher than long-term rental. I've seen small cabins bring in $35,000 to $50,000 a year gross. Larger homes, especially if they're close to the lake or the slopes, can reach $80,000 to $120,000 gross annually. Luxury properties with hot tubs, views, or unique designs can go even higher than that. But, and this is a very big but, how much you actually keep depends heavily on how you manage it. So let's compare those 3 routes that you can take. Option number 1, self-managing with a local team. This is where you, the owner, handle everything directly. You create and you manage the listing on Airbnb and VRBO. You respond to the guest inquiries. You handle the pricing. You deal with the reviews. And you coordinate cleaning and maintenance with a local cleaner and handyman. This is my preferred path. What's the upside? You keep most of the money. Platforms like Airbnb only take a small percentage, and your main costs are cleaning fees, which guests always pay, and they are passed through to your cleaner or your handyman's hourly rates. The downside? It's work. Guest messages at midnight, pricing strategy, last-minute cancellations, and you have to stay on top of marketing, reviews, and keeping everything compliant with Big Bear short-term rental rules. Owners who are organized, good with tech, and responsive can make great returns this way, but it is not passive. Option number 2, using a per diem or partial service company like Doormat. The second option we have is a hybrid. Companies like Doormat step in to handle parts of the job that you don't want to do. Maybe they coordinate cleaning, stock supplies, or even manage your turnovers. You still control the listing, the guest interaction, and the pricing, but they take the headache out of the on-the-ground logistics. What's the upside? You get support without giving away a huge percentage of your revenue. These companies usually charge per service, not a giant management fee. You're still actively involved, but it's a lot less stressful than doing everything yourself. What's the downside? It's still not hands-off. You're in charge of the guest communication and making sure the property stays competitive online. If you travel often or you don't want to deal with late night calls, this setup might feel like too much. For some owners though, this is sweet spot. Enough control to maximize income, enough help to not burn out. And then we have option number 3, full service management companies like Big Bear Vacations and Cool Cabins. Finally, you have the full service route. Big Bear Vacations and Cool Cabins are 2 of the main players here in Big Bear. With them, you hand over everything: marketing, guest communication, cleaning, compliance, all of it. The upside, it's truly turnkey. You don't worry about guest pricing or scrambling for last minute cleaners. They have the systems, the staff, and the experience to handle it all. What's the downside? You pay for it. Full service management companies take anywhere between 30 and 50% of your gross rental income. That is a big cut. So let's put that into numbers. If your cabin grosses $60,000 in a year, you might only see $30,000 to $40,000 of that after their cut. Some owners are fine with that because the stress is just gone and they view it as passive income. Other people would rather self-manage and keep that extra $20,000. Let's compare our options. How do you decide? If you want consistency and don't care about maximizing profit, long-term rentals are the lowest stress. If you want higher return and you're willing to hustle, self-managing with a good local cleaner and handyman is the most profitable. If you want balance, some help, but not a huge fee, companies like Doormat give you flexibility. If you want total ease, go full service with a company like Big Bear Vacations or Cool Cabins. Just know that you're trading dollars for peace of mind. Now let's go into other factors that affect your income. No matter which path you choose, remember, not all properties in Big Bear are created equal. Proximity to the slopes, the lake, or the village makes a big difference. Properties with hot tubs, game rooms, or unique designs rent a lot better. Seasonality is huge. Winter weekends often book at premium rates, while midweek in spring might be quiet for you. And reviews matter. A well-run property with consistent 5-star reviews will outperform a sloppy listing every time. Also, don't forget about expenses. You've got cleaning, utilities, snow removal, hot tub service, stocking, repairs, taxes, and city fees. Gross numbers sound exciting, but your net income will be lower once everything is factored in. So let's wrap it up. Back to the original question, how much should you expect to make in rental income in Big Bear? Long term, generally $1,200 to $2,500 a month steady. Short term, anywhere between $35,000 and $120,000 per year gross, depending upon the size, location, and the management. How much you actually keep? That depends on whether you self-manage, use partial support, or you go full service. At the end of the day, it comes down to your goals. Do you want passive income with low stress, or do you want to maximize profits even though it means rolling up your sleeves and getting involved? Big Bear is a fantastic rental market, but like any investment, it rewards those who go in with clear eyes, realistic numbers, and a solid plan. Thanks for hanging in there with me today. If you are serious about buying rental property in Big Bear, I'd love to help you run the numbers in specific homes, on specific homes, compare management strategies, and see what is realistic for you. I'm Rachael Smith with ReMax up in Big Bear, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.